Hello student. Today in this video we will do the revision work of SST for your post periodic exam. Okay, you all have to prepare yourself for post periodic exam in all subject which is going to start from Monday. Okay. In this video I will give you some question and you all will solve this question in your revision copy. Okay, you all will write the answers in your revision copy. The first question in this revision is define advertising. Here you have to define what is the meaning of advertising, why the advertising is used to do. Then second question is write short note on social advertising. Okay, here you have to give the detail in short what is the meaning of social advertising and why these social advertising are made, what are the purpose of this social advertisement. Now the third question is what do you mean by the branding? Okay, every company used to make the product and they used to make it some brand, they give some name, sign, symbol to that particular product. Okay, which means branding. So you have to here just in short you have to give the answer what is the meaning of branding. Now the next question is number 4. Name the factors that affect the natural growth of the natural vegetation. You have to give only the factors which are responsible for the growth of the natural vegetation. Now fifth question is what do you mean by or what do you know about the flora and fauna? You have to give a simple definition of flora and fauna which you have studied in your 5th class and 6th class also. Question number 6 is what do you mean by court town or capital town? Okay, here you have to give the definition of what is the meaning of court town. Which you have studied in history about the court town, which is also called the administrative town. Question number 7 is mention any 2 trading communities. Here you have to give only the names of 2 trading communities which were very popular during the medieval period and still they are very popular in India for as a trading community. Okay, they are very famous in our country. One from the northern part you will give and one from the southern part you will give example. Now question number 8 is what do you mean by bhakti? Here you have to give what is the meaning of bhakti. You have studied about the bhakti moment in chapter 8 in history. Here you will have to give the definition of what is the meaning of bhakti. Now question number 9. What were the teachings of Shankaracharya? Okay, you know that Shankaracharya have given the philosophy of Advaitism. Okay, so you have to give what are the main teachings of Shankaracharya. Now question number 10 is what was a tribe? Here you have to give the definition of tribe. What were the tribes? Now question 11. In question 11 you have to give the definition of settlement. Okay, you will give in simple word what is the meaning of settlement and if you know the example you can give the example also. Question number 12 is what do you know about the mass media? You all have studied about the mass media in civics also, and this question is from geography but the definition will be same what you have studied in civics. Okay, so here you have to give the definition of mass media. And last question, 13th question number, how do tribes make living? Here you have to give what are the ways by which the tribal people used to make their livelihood. Okay, what were the different activities which they used to perform to live their life or to do their complete their livelihood, how they used to earn the money. Okay, you have to write all this in this answer. Here this was your revision video and today I will send you the timetable and syllabus of your class and you all will see that in your WhatsApp number. Okay, uh, we will meet after your exam. Best of luck. God bless you all. Thank you.